Afternoon, my dear children.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Then I have given you one homework last class.
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So a village and animals.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
want to see the pictures. Smriti, show me that. Okay, one by one I'll call. Smriti.
Ma'am. Ma'am, which one?
This one homework just now I have given you. Emily Jo. Emily Jo. Yes, good, good. Then Altina. Yes. Abhyuday. Yes, very good. Aaron. Okay, Anna. Yes. You are very good children. Vinayak. Yes, very good, very good. The table I saw. Devika. Yes. Ananya. Ananya Vijesh.
Ma'am, I won't
Yes,
write that
yes,
question.
yes,
I
yes.
didn't wrote.
Ma'am, I
1 minute.
did
One
because of
minute,
I
one
didn't
connection.
wrote
minute,
that
1 minute.
question because
Sanega. Sanega. Yes. Kanishk. Yes. Ameya.
in the last class I was not there.
Last class, what happened, Ameya?
I could not get in because Baba was not
Okay,
there.
okay. You can tell the student, somebody to send the notes. Rudy, will you show me your...
Ma'am, I told Deepika to send
Yes,
the
yes,
notes.
yes, yes.
I complete, but the second question I'm writing only.
Yes, yes. Smriti? Yes, it is not clear, but I know you have drawn it. Okay.
Ma'am, this camera has some problem.
Okay, okay, Smriti. Then after Smriti, then Ameya, Amida. Where is Amida? Speak. Speak something.
Ma'am.
Yes, yes. Vrisa. Yes. Geetika. Yes, my dear. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. Vinayak showed me. Shravana. Yes. Francis. Rachel George. Francis Richard. Yes, hello. Francis.
Ma'am. I was renaming that.
Okay, no problem. Did you do the work?
Ma'am, because of connection problem, I cannot do.
Connection. I have given that question, right? It is
Because
question.
of the
It is
connection
there in the
problem,
same question.
I did not see the board.
1 minute. The same question is there in your textbook. Okay. Do it. Harriet. Yes. Amida Vinod. Nihal.
Ma'am, because of network problem,
Okay,
I
okay.
did.
Nihal, you complete it. Abhinav Sajan.
Okay.
Abhinav Sajan. Speak up. Namasya. Namasya. Malaviga Bini. Anna Viju. Anjani Viju. Anjani Viju. Adulayal. Sian. Hello. Show me your notes.
Ma'am, their videos are off.
Yes, yes, their videos are off. Okay, enough, enough. Okay, enough.
I'm muted.
Yes.
Ma'am, you didn't call me.
Namasya, no?
No, ma'am, you didn't call my name, Ashish.
Ashishuni. Yes, yes. Ashish, show me. Yes. Okay, okay, good, good. Then anyone?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Devaganga has reached. Okay, children. So, let me ask you some questions. In that question, which, what was the question first one? How many symbols represents the animals of village E?
6. 6.
G. 6G. So six symbols. Okay. Next one. Which village has the maximum number of animals?
Village B.
Village B. How many animals?
120 animals.
How many symbols? How
Ma'am,
many?
6.
12 symbols. 12. Okay. Which village has more animals? Village A or village C?
Village C.
Village C. 90. Okay, children.
90.
So that was our question. Now, let me explain I'll send the homework to you. One pictograph and one tally mark. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So, I will start with the bar graphs now. Okay, children.
Okay, ma'am.
So, take your notes and start writing. Write the heading. Bar graph.
And new page or continuation?
Continuation. Okay. So heading is bar graph. Bar graph. Okay, children. Bar graph means now we will study how to draw a bar graph. Then the question I will come. I will send you interpreting a bar graph. Interpreting means when you read a bar graph, what are the information is given. Sometimes there will be questions. So like this, no, village E, village A, like that. Some questions were there. No, like that. From the bar graph, you have to find some answers. Okay, you should find some answers. That is interpretation of bar graph. Those questions I will send you. First of all, we will study how to draw a bar graph. Okay, children?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So, a bar graph. Do you know what is a bar?
Yes, ma'am.
What?
Ma'am, bar of chocolate and all.
Like
Ma'am,
Chocolate bar.
Ma'am,
Okay.
vertical.
Vertical lines. See, crossbars. Crossbars of a window. We have studied that crossbars of a window in our one chapter, basic geometrical ideas.
Ma'am, intersecting line.
Intersecting line and parallel lines. Okay. So bars means bars are like this. I'll show you. See, bars will be like this. Crossbars. Okay. So bar graph means it will be like this. All will be bars. Like lockup, no lockup.
Ma'am, of the same.
When you see, have you seen in films like
Yes,
police
ma'am.
station
Yes,
and
ma'am.
lockup?
yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So in that, have you seen
Cell.
some lockup, some bars?
Cell, ma'am.
Have you seen
Yes, ma'am.
that? Like that bar graph means the bars, like some building, small piece of drawing. Okay, vertically drawing. Sometimes in some bar graph we will draw horizontally also, but it is vertical. Okay, so vertical. Now we will study to draw vertical lines. Then, so bar graph will be like that. Then, before drawing bar graph, you should know what is x-axis and y-axis. Okay, children? This horizontal line, horizontal line means sleeping line.
Yes, ma'am.
Line which
Yes, ma'am.
lies on the floor. Which line is that? The line which lies on the floor?
Ma'am, x-axis and y-axis.
Y
Where
axis.
is x-axis? Horizontal line
Ma'am,
is x-axis.
x-axis and
X-axis.
y-axis.
Ah,
Y-axis.
sleeping line is that is
X.
that line. Sleeping line is x and
X
standing
And
line is
vertical line is
vertical line is y-axis.
Y axis.
So that you should know first. So when you get a bar graph question, you should write all these things. Okay, children? No, don't draw anything. Let me explain this. So like one L shape you have to draw. Okay. And give this name X. Keep quiet. Listen to me. This here X, here O, here Y. Okay. X, O, Y. Clear? This O is 0. O represents 0.
0.
Okay. Now, one day I told you about some your behavioral chart, some students' name, right? So
Yes, ma'am.
sometimes Ameya got 10 marks.
10 marks.
Then
Ashish.
Ashish got how much?
Francis.
8. Then Francis got
21.
Francis got 6. Okay. One more person's name. Anna. Anna got 4. Here, this I will change 4 and 6. Why no? I need some drawing like this. So in between some smaller value also I need. Okay, children. So in this x-axis, we will write name of students. This is simply an example only. Okay. Name of students. X-axis what you are drawing, x-axis what you are meaning to write, that you have to write there. X-axis name of students. And y-axis marks.
Marks.
Marks or, yes, marks. Y-axis we will write marks. Okay. Okay, children. Now, here in your graph, when you open the graph, you can see some darkened line like this.
Yes, ma'am.
And in between this also. Okay. And see, children, in this there is small lines like this.
Yes, ma'am.
And there will be 10 lines in between. Okay. Okay, children. Now,
Okay, ma'am.
here you take this first one. So when you draw the bar graph, the gap should be the equal distance. Gap should be equal. Gap between the bar should be equal.
Equal.
Okay. And the bar also should be same width. The bar, you should not draw a small bar and a big bar like this. Every bar should be of same size. Size means the breadth, width. Okay. Now,
Okay, ma'am.
I will draw with another color. Suppose, 1 minute. First one we are drawing Amayas. Okay, children.
Okay, ma'am.
If you want, maximum is 10, right? If you want, you
Yes,
can
ma'am.
write this as 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. Or else, like pictograph, no, we can reduce the size. We can reduce the size. Just look at the numbers. Which is a common factor in that?
2.
10, 8, 4, 6. All are even numbers, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So, if you want, you can
2,
write
4.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10 like that. Clear?
Okay, ma'am. Yes.
Now,
Okay, ma'am.
that you have to write here. That is very important. Y-axis, what you written? You have written marks, y-axis. Isn't it? And
ma'am.
scale you have to write. Scale. Scale means 1 unit you have taken as 2 marks. This is very important because sometimes you will get 5 marks, we'll take 5 marks. Sometimes if that question, last question, village and animals, it is 10, right? So
Yes,
1
ma'am.
unit equal to 10 animals. Everything you have to write here on the top of your graph. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now we will start drawing. You have to leave some space here like this. Equal space. And don't start from 0. Next one you have to start. Next line. Next line is Ameas. First one is Ameas. So Ameas, this bar up to this 10. Clear? So you have to draw like this.
Okay.
And if you want, you can shade it like this. And if you want, you write the name. Later we will write. Okay. Next one is Ashish. Ashish. So here we left the gap like this. The same gap here also we should maintain. Okay. And Ashish, what is the score?
8. 8.
8. So Ashish we will take up to 8. 8 comes here. Up to 8. Okay. And we will shade that also. So the gap should be same gap. Next one is Francis. Francis.
Yes, ma'am.
4.
4. Up to 4 only. Next one is Anna's. Anna's up to 6. So leave the gap and up to 6 you have to draw. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, children. And if you just shade it with a pencil and use only pencil in graph. No other things.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, children. And if you want, you write here your Amaya's name, Ashish, and Francis, and Anna. If you want, you can write down also.
Down. Okay,
Amaya,
ma'am. Ashish.
Ashish, Francis, and Anna,
Anna.
like this. You can write down also. Either on the bar or down. Both together, no need. Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. So this is bar graph. So lot of things you have to maintain. First one, I'll show you how to write. 1 minute. First one, what you have to do is, when you, 1 minute. Okay, when you start drawing, you have to draw that L shape first. And write X, O, Y. Okay. And sometimes this 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Here what you are writing, sometimes the name of the students, name of villages, or here if there are marks, you have to write that also. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Then this y-axis, how much you are taking? Scale, y-axis equal to 1 unit equal to 5 marks, 10 marks, 10 animals, like that. So that is very important. That scale 1 mark will be there. If you did not write that scale, your 1 mark will go. Okay, children?
Okay,
Now,
ma'am.
I'll give one question and I will draw one graph. Okay? Okay, children, did you write bar graph?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you write as bar graph? Okay. So,
Yes, ma'am.
uh,
Definition.
Then we have to write this question.
no need. Wait. I will draw one. I'll write one question and I'll draw I will explain how to draw a bar graph. First question. First, no need of writing anything. You just listen. Drawing a bar graph. Now we are drawing a bar graph. You listen here. See. Draw a bar graph for the data given below. That is our question. Draw a bar graph for the data given below. Sometimes there will be a table given like this. Table, one table will be given.
Do we need to write it?
No need of writing now. Just listen to me. There will be a table. Okay. It is name of fruits and number of children who likes those fruits. Okay. Number of students. Name of fruits and number of students.
Students.
Okay. First one is banana. Banana. And Next is orange, apple, and guava. Okay. So, banana 8 people, orange 3 people, apple 5, and guava 4. This is our table for drawing. This is our data. So we have to draw a bar graph. Okay, children.
Okay, ma'am.
So
ma'am.
nothing, because 8, 3, 5, 4. No common numbers are there in this. Is there any common number? Is that all even number?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, nothing. So we have to represent one enough, one unit, one fruit enough. Okay. If there are even numbers, you can reduce it. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Be
Okay.
written. Ma'am. Ma'am, this should be written in a
No,
notes.
no.
Yes. Now you write this question. Write this question, and afterwards, what I will do is I'll take the graph. One graph is there in our board that I will take. Okay. So write the question. First question, drawing a bar graph. In that first question, draw a bar graph for the data given below.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, this should be written right after the heading bar graph, or will you give me
Yes. Under the heading. No need of anything.
definition?
No need of any definition. If you want, I will give the definition. Okay, children. Did you start writing?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I wrote.
Okay. I will write. I'll write. You can write it as a note. Okay, here. Under bar graph, no? Under
Okay,
bar
ma'am.
graph, you can write this. Bars of uniform width
Ma'am,
can be, yes, right under this, under bar graph, under the heading, before this, drawing a bar graph. Okay. Bars of uniform width can be drawn
Ma'am, before drawing the table, we should write this.
horizontally before the table, horizontally or horizontally or vertically, with equal spacing between them. Such method of representing data, represented data is called bar diagram or bar graph. Okay, enough. Bar graph is enough. No, is called bar graph.
Ma'am, if we already wrote the question, can we write this below?
You write, no problem. And you give give a box like something. Okay, and give write NB or something so that you can note down that. Okay. And now you can write the question. First question, in that it is drawing a bar graph is the first one. Again, one more small heading, drawing a bar graph. And now you can draw the table. Yes. Draw the table. Draw the table. Only table. Okay. Only table. And now I'll show how to draw it. And you tell me the score when when I start drawing. Okay, children. Shall I erase the board now?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Yes. Tell me if you finish writing.
Finish.
Ma'am, I finished.
Okay.
I cannot see both.
Anyone is writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Finish?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, we have to draw the graph in the
Yes,
graph.
wait. You have your graph paper?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
If you have your graph paper, you draw in that. Otherwise, I'll tell you how to draw. Listen here.
Okay, ma'am.
Listen. I'll tell you how to draw. Just listen. Mm.
Ma'am, in the graph book, the other page, there is a page. So what should we do in that? We have to write the question in that.
Sorry. What?
Ma'am, one page graph and the
One
other
page is for the graph and one other page is a blank.
Writing, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So
ma'am.
that page with ruled line, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, that
There
is
you
for the
have to.
question.
There you have to write the question. Yes.
and this question, right?
This
With the
question.
chapter name.
No need of writing chapter name. Just
Okay.
Ma'am, we know that bar graphs are only for this chapter.
yes. 1 minute, children. 1 minute.
Question.
Now you no need of writing. Just listen to me. Okay.
Ma'am.
Okay, children. Okay, children. So I took the scale bar graph. I took a scale. Okay. There is a tool, but here 1, 2, 3, 4 x-axis. So first of all, what you have to do is you have to write x, y, z, and all.
Ma'am.
Okay, wait. See, children. Hello.
Yes,
You
ma'am.
have to this 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. No, that you no need of writing. Okay, for getting that spacing, I have taken this. So here you have to write x, o, and y. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
No, you no need of writing this 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Okay. And x-axis, what you are going to write x-axis?
Ma'am, the fruits.
Fruits. So x-axis we are writing fruits. And what about y-axis?
Number.
Number of students.
No, yeah.
Number of students. Okay, let me draw it first. Number of students. 1 minute. Number of students. Students. Okay, children. Now, first one is which is the name? First fruit name.
Banana.
Banana. How much?
8.
8. Banana is 8.
8.
So here in your graph book, you have to leave this much space. This space. 0 to 1 you have to leave. Okay.
Okay.
You should
One
leave that space. That is
block.
our equal spacing.
One block.
One block. One block you have to leave. And we'll start drawing the other one.
And scale.
Then first one is banana. How much?
8.
With your take your scale and draw 8. So 1 unit should be the spacing and 1 unit should be the bars width also. 1 unit. Just check here. Okay. Again, you should leave some space like this, same spacing, equal spacing. Okay, no need of drawing. For you to understand, I have drawn. Okay, children. Now, again we are drawing. Next one is banana and next one is
Orange.
Orange how much?
3.
The orange color. Let me take the other color.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, sorry. That okay. Okay. So that one. Again, what is the next one?
Apple.
Okay, apple.
5.
5.
Apple 5. So leave the space again like this. Apple 5. Up to from here it is 5. Okay. Then one more is there.
Guava.
Guava.
4.
4. So guava is 4. Okay, this color. Guava is 4.
In the y-axis, we should write the numbers from 1 to 8.
Y-axis you have to write the numbers.
1 to 8.
And you have to write the scale here. Scale is y-axis. Y-axis. 1 unit equal to 1 student. Isn't it?
Yes,
1 unit equal to 1 student.
1 student.
So now you can shade it. Shade it with your pencil properly.
In the rolled paper we should write that scale.
So children, in the ruled paper, if you have you bring the graph paper as soon as possible, okay, for drawing bar graph. But if you have the paper with you, you have to draw the scale properly. I'll show you. See. So this is the bar graph. See children, this is the bar graph. And shade it. And if you want, you write the name of the fruit on the bars or down like this. Down. Banana. Banana. Then orange.
Orange, apple.
Apple.
Guava.
Orange, apple and guava. Like this we can write. Okay children. So this scale is important. Scale is important.
So where should we write the scale? In the next page. Ruled paper.
If you have ruled paper.
No, ma'am.
We can
Side
do
of
in
this.
No, on the top right side in the graph. No, on the top right side. The same place where I have written. Where I have written the same place.
Okay, ma'am.
There.
Ma'am, can we write in the graph book?
Yes.
Which page, ma'am? There are 2 type pages.
Where? Show me. Who is that? Who is that? You show me. 1 minute, child. Let me show you. See. Okay, children. See, children. If you have your ruled paper, what you have to do is you should take the scale. Okay. take the scale and give equal spacing. You have to take the equal spacing. Did you see the spacing here? Spacing, correct? Okay. Ruled paper, you should take the space correct. Use your scale and mark like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 centimeters. Okay? Okay, children? So, do one thing. If you do not have graph paper, you take your ruled paper and draw like this. Y-axis and x-axis. Are you listening? Listen to me. X-axis and y-axis. Give the arrow marks and keep your scale here down, down. And 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, like that you have to mark like this. Clear? And here also you mark with using scale only. Then you can start drawing the bars. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
In graph paper, we should write in the left side or right side page.
Show me, Emil, your graph paper. Okay, Emil, that
Ma'am, one is the ruled
side, no, ruled side, show me that.
This?
Ruled side, you write the question and the table.
Okay, ma'am.
And the same questions graph should be there in the left side.
Okay,
And the scale should be on the top right side.
Top right side. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, children? Is there any difficulty? I will explain it in next class also.
Ma'am,
No, ma'am.
excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
ma'am.
Yes, ask me.
You told to write the bar graph, right? In the notes, you told to write the bar graph. Then
Not bar graph. Bar graph. In the graph, you have to write the question only. No need of writing the notes. Question.
no,
The
ma'am,
question,
the
no.
note, ma'am, in the notes only I wrote the question. So we should write the question in the bar graph.
Again, you have to write the question because towards each graph there should be the question.
And
That
can we
question.
do this as a homework? Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, ask me first.
Ma'am, can
Who is waiting? Yes.
we wrote x, y, 0 and all right.
Yes.
In the graph paper also we have to draw.
Yes. You have to draw. See, children, there is a white line, no? White space.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
I will show once. One minute, surely. 1 minute. Okay, children. Like this. See. Your graph page will be like this. Clear?
Yes,
Graph page. And there is a white space. And here only your graph paper comes. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Listen. This green graph page, graph lines comes here only. Clear?
Yes,
Clear. So here the white space is there, no?
Yes, ma'am.
On the top of that where the graph starts. Here the graph starts now, that green line. There you can write, draw X, here O, here Y. Clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And in this white space, you can write 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. And here you can start drawing the bars. Now is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now shall I wind up the class, children?
Yes,
Tomorrow you can ask me if you have any doubt.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay?
Ma'am,
Yes.
can we do this as a homework?
Do it as a homework and tomorrow when I come, you show me that.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, tomorrow when I come, you show me all this graph book and I will check personally. Okay?
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. So, somebody show is Hanega. Okay.
Bye.
Okay. Bye, children.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
What is this? What is this? Who is that person?
Francis.
Francis. Let the school reopen. So I'll give you nicely.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Sorry, ma'am.
Thank you.